Okay, we're up here at Kennedy Meadows, Fish Creek Overflow Campground. And this, here's Chef Jude right here with his discotheque.
No, the
Cooking machine.
iKamper disco
Look at that! Look at that!
series.
Look at that! Look at that!
Salmon and Brussels sprouts. Thank you very
Salmon
much.
and Brussels sprouts. Cast iron, right here. Tripod, barbecue. Look at that thing. Runs on propane or butane. And we've got the camping setup here with the iKamper. This is Jude's iKamper, new F-150 4x4.
No, they did.
And things are really happening up here. We got Steve from Fallbrook over here with his new KTM 450 XCF. And oh, it looks like my battery went dead.